How to create blockchain.com account. If you wish to create an account on blockchain.com, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do is you can go ahead and then simply launch the blockchain.com crypto wallet application. If you already have an account, you can tap on the login button, but since we do not have an account, go to the option that says sign up and then just make sure to tap on it. It will ask you to choose your country of residence, so of course choose that. Then it will ask if you have a referral code, so if you do, you can type them here, then tap the get started button. Choose the email address that you'd like to register with a blockchain.com account, and then make sure to create a password and confirm the password, then tap on confirm. Once done, your blockchain.com account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to create your blockchain.com account. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.